An effort to strike down mask mandates in schools across the state takes center stage tomorrow morning in court. Welcome to the 10 o'clock news. I'm Marcella Lee.
And I'm Jesse Pagan. An emergency hearing is scheduled tomorrow morning for the lawsuit filed against the state. As News 8's LaMonica Peters reports, the plaintiffs say this is just the first step in their fight to push back against mandates for students.
These parents and others who oppose mask mandates say they filed the lawsuit on behalf of students and their right to choose, so they have no plans to give up anytime soon.
On Thursday, a judge will decide whether or not to grant a temporary restraining order against the state to stop it from mandating masks in public schools. The lawsuit was filed by groups Let Them Breathe and Reopen California Schools.
So there's a lot of information they're bringing forward. The question is, will that be enough to actually get an injunction when there'll probably be just as equally vehement voices on the other side?
The joint lawsuit was filed back in July with Governor Newsom, the California Department of Public Health, and the Department of Health and Human Services listed as defendants. Patrick says the groups opposing mask mandates have been gathering evidence they believe will prove the mandates aren't necessary in school.
They have filed a very comprehensive lawsuit that contains some well-founded arguments that they've really collected from a lot of different places, which include the lower infection rates for kids, the importance of socialization at that age, and really a lot of information regarding the other kinds of public venues that kids are not required to wear masks.
Let them breathe.
The founder of Let Them Breathe says if the emergency restraining order is denied Thursday, the lawsuit will still continue on to a preliminary hearing.
Let them breathe, let them choose. We are for choice, and we are in this to protect our students' rights, no matter how long or how difficult that legal battle may be.
Let Them Breathe also launched the Let Them Choose initiative, which plans to file a lawsuit against San Diego Unified Schools next week because of the vaccine mandate.